Hello and welcome, my friends, to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm the Disney Stranger, and today we're going to head over to the Polynesian Resort, and we're going to check out the gift shop over there, Bou-Tiki. Yes, it's called Bou-Tiki. And I have a confession to make. I have not stepped foot in the store in this gift shop in over 10 years. Can you believe that? It was a long time coming. So luckily I have my camera with me, and I checked out some great items, including some of my favorites like Tommy Bahama. But that's not all I checked out, so come with me and let's go find out what they have in store at the Bou-Tiki at the Polynesian Resort. Come on, let's go. Right off the bat, look at this awesome shirt. The Tiki gods would be proud. Look at that shirt. That is amazing. We have the Polynesian Village Resort water bottles for $39.99. They look really cool. We have a Minnie and Mickey frame here for the Polynesian Village. Very cool. And this is $24.99. Ooh, I think you could probably put one of your drinks in here. Look at that. Oh, this is amazing. How cool is this? Put your pina colada in there. Take one of these home with you. Ask for assistance. You have a very retro guacamole bowl dippy thing here. This looks really cool. This 7-piece hospitality set is $99.99. It is retro, like 1970s, 60s Polynesian resort glasses. Cool. $22.99. You could definitely put a Mai Tai in that sucker. And we have a matching dress on this side. Matching. But check out the prices. So this Disney Tencennial Retro shirt for the 10th anniversary of Walt Disney World is $36.99. That's from the Vault collection, guys. That is really cool. The Disney Stranger was actually here for the Tencennial in 1981. And over here we have some Tencennial hoodies for women, pink. That's really cool. Or men, if you like pink, that's cool. And this is $59.99. Long sleeve hoodie. You can see Disney in that one. Another Tencennial from the Vault collection. That is really cool. Is $39.99. Vault me up, friends. And as the little guys, we have $39.99 for this cute little Tiki shirt. Ooh, really cool. And are these ashtrays? Could these possibly be ashtrays or just dishes? These are $29.99. Look at that. I feel like I'm in the 70s. These braces. So the women's dress for the Polynesian Hotel is $108. What an odd number for a price for a dress. 108. Well, it's not odd. It is even, but weird. That's all right. And the shirt for guys or girls, $85. I'm sure you could drink your Mai Tais with this and be really cool. Look at that. I do like this a lot. This is really cool. Ooh, this is a nice t-shirt. I am digging this. This is really cool. Wow. $29.99. This is really great. I love this shirt. Really sweet. Got Tiki pocketbooks, I think, for $49.99. It's got a zipper around the top there. It got a zipper right around there. Really cool. Another from the Vault collection. This is really cool. This is a Spirit jersey because on the back we got this retro Disney print. That is really cool. I'm loving this. Really cool. And this is more Disney collection, Vault collection. $70 for the retro lunch pails. And the thermos is separate for $19.99. Crocs, everyone, Crocs. Disney Vault Collection Crocs with no price on them. Bucket hats, bucket hats, bucket hats. We have bucket hats for $44.99. Look at those bucket hats. Seen this a lot? The World of Disney and a lot of the resorts for $149.99. We got the hoodie. That's really soft. I'm gonna go down the shirts really quick here. Here at 10 o'clock at night. And the place is closing. Tommy Bahama. Quilted. Nice. $148. Mickey Mouse. Tommy Bahama. $130. Tommy. $130. $135. Not Tommy Bahama. But I do love this print. This is a really cool print. $105. Really cool print there. I can see the Disney Stranger wearing this. This is really cool. This Aloha shirt is really cool. I like this. $108. Oh my goodness, we have a retro Disney character, Horace. Look at that. How often do you see Horace? $36.99 Horace. Very rare Disney character. I like that. I'd love to see more of Oswald though. That's my favorite retro character. We have a Mickey Mouse hoodie here. Horace was $36.99. The Mickey Mouse sweatshirt hoodie, $69.99. Mickey on the back of your hoodie here. We got Mickey. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Love Mickey. He's happy. I'm happy. We're all happy. Mickey Mouse. Not so happy. And for everyone who's got a dad bod, all you guys out there with your dad bods, $24.99. Edna Mode. Nice t-shirt. Edna, we'll go with $24.99. Vault Collection. Hello Sunshine. 100% Sunshine. $36.99. And we have a Disney Vacation Club member sweatshirt. That's really cool. For $59.99. $59.99. And we have Vacation Club ears for $29.99. Hey, just in case people don't realize you're on vacation, we have this. And we have this DVC shirt for $59.99. Suitcase, Mickey Mouse, really cool. Nice sketch, $199. Nice retro print there, that's really cool. Oh, Big Al. We like Big Al, right? $36.99. Country Bear Jamboree. We love this shirt. We love Big Al. Vault Collection. Oh, Orange Bird shirt. Whoa. $59.99. Ooh, that's a great print. Very loud though. If you like loud shirts, there's one right there. And an Orange Bird. Ooh, look at those. Pair of shorts for Disney Vault shorts for $36.99. And a blouse to go with $39.99. Very cool. And this retro, really cool retro Vault shirt. We love this Vault shirt. And that is $36.99. Hi guys, hello. Sparkly Loungefly. $95. There's a nice shirt. We like that with the retro Walt Disney World logo right up there on the top. That's cool, and that is $36.99. Distressed look, and it looks really cool. These Disney bags are $36.99. At Walt Disney World, the magic is back. Look at that. We're going to do that for $36.99. $85 for this Disney Loungefly.
This is the thing.
$36.99.
They have to look up something of similar value to make sure to look it up. Like $79.99.
Yeah, Dooney and Burke's Disney Vacation Club. These are really cool. $328. Dooney and Burke. Disney Vacation Club.
Because I can't.
And the wallet is $168.
But they don't. I mean, one doesn't exist.
Here's a Peter Pan Dooney and Burke. I haven't seen this before either for $248. Another Disney Loungefly. Very plasticky feel to it. $110. It is shiny. There's a shiny Loungefly. $64.99. Disney Vault collection, $36.99. Very distressed look, but brand new. Disney license plate, Vault collection, $36.99. I was here for the bicentennial, but I'm not digging the shirt for $36.99. Don't like the sleeves. Never liked them back then. Don't like them now. This jacket, button down, sweater jacket is $99.99. Soft. It really looks very comfortable with this hoodie. It looks like a very comfortable thing to wear when it's very cold out. And it's got that on the side. At least it doesn't have the sleeves like that, which I don't like. Ooh, and I love this shirt. Let's look at the shirt here. It's, he needs a beard though. Look at that. He's got the hat, he's got the smile, he's got the shirt, but Mickey don't have the beard. $24.99 for this great Mickey vacation shirt from the Disney Polynesian Resort. This is awesome. This is really cool. Nice shirt. $69.99. Thanks again everyone for joining me on this Disney Stranger shopping adventure here at the Polynesian Resort. I really appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out these videos. But before I go, you guys remember there's always one thing you must do, and that is, don't forget to walk forward.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.